I have been using Windows for as long as I can remember. But recently only I discovered that it has this cool feature, that is a built-in feature which is very useful for your daily day use. Nowadays, most of your PC screen might have cluttered with too many browser tabs, spreadsheet, and maybe with a couple of file explorer windows. Now suddenly when you want to go to the desktop, you have to minimize all these tabs. The browsers which you have opened, the spreadsheet, the Word, the file explorer, everything has to be minimized one by one. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Now for example, I am on my desktop and now I have many windows open in my desktop. You can see it here, and if I want to go to the desktop, you will have to minimize every tab one by one. For example, like you have to do like this, minimizing it one by one. But Microsoft have already built a fix for this back in 2009. It is called Aero Shake. I'll show you what is this Aero Shake. I'm just maximizing all these windows. Now what you have to do is just grab the title bar of any of this window and just shake it. Gone. You can see that all other windows except this has been minimized. I'll show you it once again. I'm just maximizing every window. Now I have all the windows open here. Now just click on the title tab and just shake it. See, it's gone. Now how you can enable this in your Windows? For that, you have to go to the Start. From here, just go to the Settings and then go to the System. And here if you scroll down, you can see that there is an option named multitasking. Just open it. Now here you can see an option that is title bar windows shake. And it details that when I grab a window title bar and shake it, minimize all other windows. Just turn this on. That's it. Also, you can enable it from the registry, but that is not required since Windows is providing an easy way to do that from the settings. And believe me, it is very useful during video calls, especially when you are logged in with your WhatsApp and you have to attend a call immediately. You do not have to minimize all the windows. Just do this process and you will be taken directly to the call. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.